Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to import the Excel data into your TradingView account in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you are going to get the TradingView subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month absolutely for free. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, simply click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now once you have the chart available, if you try to add any of the Excel sheets over here, unfortunately this thing is not possible here in TradingView. So if you have any of the data in the CSV format or in the Google Sheet format, you will have to first of all convert it into the pine chart. So here you are going to see the pine editor option. So when you click on the option of pine editor, it is going to open this type of script section in front of you. Now over here, you just have to simply provide that particular sheet which you have converted into the Pine script. Then you need to paste it over here. Click on the option of publish indicator and it will be shown here in your TradingView account. If you are looking for adding it directly here on the TradingView, unfortunately, it is not currently possible. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.